Welcome to our discussion of Thirukkural, a classical Tamil text that is known for its universal wisdom. Today, we will be exploring Chapter 3, Song 9, which talks about the importance of morality and controlling anger. The first line of this verse talks about those who have scaled the mountain of morality. It's a metaphorical way of saying that those who have attained a high level of morality and righteousness will not allow their anger to last for a moment. Anger is a natural emotion that we all experience, but it's important to control it so that it doesn't lead to destructive behavior. Those who have achieved a high level of morality have learned to control their anger. These individuals have a deep understanding of compassion and empathy. They use these virtues to understand the cause of someone's anger and try to help them resolve their issues. They are also good at resolving conflicts and finding a peaceful solution to problems. This verse is a reminder that we should strive to attain a high level of morality and control our anger. By meditating and introspecting, we can cultivate self-control and develop the ability to stay calm in difficult situations. That's all for today's discussion of Thirukkural. Join us next time as we explore more verses from this timeless text.